our bain-marie holding well. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 13¼ inches, a depth of 21 inches, and a height of 9½ inches tall. Measurements for the interior, with the pants removed, we have 12¼ inches in length, 20 inches in depth, by 6 inches in height. Coming to the back of the bain-marie, we have our minimum and maximum fill lines. And coming towards the front will be the area with the water and water release valve. Coming to the front will be the temperature gauge, light indicator, power switch. Located in the back is the ETL certification. And this bain-marie will use a 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.